So Elon Musk suddenly tweets, "Oh, we cannot accept Bitcoin because of the harm on the environment." Oh ho ho ho! Very sad. Cha 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 cha. Like Indians say, "Chi chi 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 chi." Oh ho 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 ho. South Indians, you know. Now, now where are the cryptocurrency experts? Oh, Bitcoin is going to become mainstream. Oh, cryptocurrency is going to be all over. We're going to take over the world. You can very soon buy and sell through Bitcoin. What happened? Where are all the experts? Suddenly, all the experts are vanished. They're quiet. I remember when Elon Musk tweeted that they will accept Tesla, Bitcoins for Tesla. All the experts on Facebook, WhatsApp, ha ha ha, I told you so, ha ha ha, eat your words. What did I tell you? Oh, what predictions? Oh, fantastic. I told you so, told you so. All the, I call them the, I don't even know what term to use, the waste products of society. Not successful in a career, not successful in a business. Nothing, like Russell Peters says. But Bitcoin legends, they are experts. Exactly like the SEO experts. You remember when SEO was a thing? Every guy was an SEO expert. Oof, SEO. I'm an ex-CEO expert. I'm a digital expert. What happened? Now they're all quiet. Shh. Okay. See, the thing is, for some people, Elon Musk is God. Elon Musk. Like some people, for some people, Allah. But for others, Elon Musk said, Elon Musk, the vision of Elon Musk. Now when Elon Musk has fucking dumped you, now what do? Remember what I told you? Elon Musk doesn't give a fuck about you. He doesn't care you make money or lose money. He's only interested in his benefit. Now I'll explain to you what exactly happened as per my analysis. I'll give you my understanding. Wake up. How are you? Savadika. This poor guy walks the whole day. I don't know. He walks 5 kilometers up, down. I don't know. And you can see he's limping. Okay, so see, I'll tell you what happened. I'll give you my analysis. Okay, you can tell me if I'm wrong or right. So see, this guy Elon Musk, he's a legend. Yes, he has done amazing stuff. Yes, electric car and achievement space and selling people a vision, a dream, a concept. Fine, all that I totally agree with you. Okay, but you keep forgetting. People keep forgetting that Elon Musk is accountable to somebody. Elon Musk has to answer to somebody. And Elon Musk also has a boss. Elon Musk is not God. Elon Musk has shareholders. Elon Musk has a board of directors. Elon Musk has people he has to, listen to. In front of social media, he can portray, oh, SNL Live, I'm king, I'm a vision, I'm Iron Man, I'm this and that. But when the board of directors sit together and ask, what the hell is happening? Then your flashiness it vanishes. It's like, to give you the best example is, it's exactly like these guys who are keyboard warriors on social media. Hey, what the fuck, man? Hey, what do you think of yourself? Hey, come on, I challenge you. And, I made 50,000, 100,000. But the minute they go in front of their mom and dad, the minute they go face to face in front of their boss, they become a fucking, rat. Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Yeah, mama. Yeah, papa. Yeah, I will do. Okay. I'll wash the dishes. I'll clean the bathroom. Okay. I'll buy the bread. Yeah, you can be a fucking superstar on social media. Real life is different, no? See, that's number one. The second, I told you this before also. See, Elon Musk is great. He's creative. He's amazing. He has done things which, like 99.99% of the world cannot do. I've given credit to him on that. But success, when it goes to your head, you start doing stupid things. It's like drinking alcohol. The alcohol which people drink is their own success. They get so high with it, they think they can do anything. So in Elon Musk's case, he was playing around, and like how children, when they play around, they try to push the limits. So first he started tweeting, and then he did this Bitcoin, will accept Bitcoin. And then he started playing around with Dogecoin. It started going up. He was enjoying the effects, he was enjoying the power. But there is a point, there's a tipping point after which you can get into serious trouble. And I told you this also, that he will get sued, or he'll fall into legal problems, or he will be warned of impending danger. And the minute he tweeted, should we accept Dogecoin, yes or no? And the markets went crazy. I'm 100% sure the board sat down with him. What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Because when you start, associating your brand with various things, it does have an impact. See, why do you think brands do not want to associate with you if you have controversy? Why do you think there's no global brand or anybody who will want to associate with me? The reason being is I use fuck and this and bitch and ass, and I use bad words. So, what the fuck is he doing? This old man is going, hope he doesn't get hurt. So what happens is like, you start taking, I have totally forgot what I said. Yeah. So now when the reason why no brand wants to associate with me is because, of the risks that I pose. And if let's say, for example, a brand associates with me, and tomorrow I say something that can hurt, let's say, the transgender community, or the lesbians, or let's say few Indians, and then it becomes a Twitter war where people say, I boycott your products because this guy is racist, or this guy is sexist, or whatever. It causes a massive backlash, and there are people who are sitting in positions of power who will be like, excuse me, what the hell is going on? So I'm pretty sure the board of directors sat down and asked, what are you doing? What the hell are you doing? See, as long as Elon Musk can bring in money by sales, not by constantly getting new round of venture capital investment, they'll keep quiet. But the minute he cannot bring in money, the minute he is not able to give shareholders their value, they'll question him. And I'm 100% sure. One is board of directors, another one is the Congress, or Joe Biden or the presidency. They will put pressure on. They'll be like, we are trying to regulate the market, we are trying to control the market. What are you doing? You want to make, and see, I'll tell you, when politicians talk, they don't talk to you with love and affection and understanding and kindness. They will come to you with, twisting your arm at the back and say that, if you're not able to follow instructions, I think we'll have to make life a little difficult for you. Either we'll have to introduce taxes or some shit they must have told him. And I'll tell you, Annie, give me 2 orange with a bag. That old man is walking now. I want to give him something. And put some food in that and give. So, see, it is very easy to, jump around, monkey around, fool around. But as you occupy a position of power, you can't fuck around like this, man. Like, I'll give you a simple example, very, very simple example. My open challenge to you, show me one CEO, any CEO of any company who's doing the nonsense that Elon Musk is doing. Tweeting about coins. Oh, this coin, that coin. Playing around, acting like a immature little kid. See, all this is fine and all this is fun. But when the regulators, when the board of directors, when the formal corporate structure puts its foot down, you can't play around. They will not leave you. Yeah, you put something else, anything? Yeah, put something, no? Just give him something. So the point I'm trying to tell you guys, no? See, sorry for the interruption. I just want to give that old man. See, I'll tell you, no matter how creative you are, no matter how original you are, no matter what a rebel you are, you cannot change the world. And by that I mean, you cannot change people. You cannot change politics. You cannot change the banking system. You cannot change years of bureaucracy. They will resist. They will resist. They will not agree. And if they feel that you're forgetting your place, they will gang up together and, end of the day, they will destroy you. See what happened to John F. Kennedy. He tried to change the core system, the core values. And maybe he was right. Maybe he was, visionary. But the world is not a forgiving place. That is what you need to remember. Give me. Put it in the bag and give me. I just want to give that guy. So the bottom line, what I want to tell you guys is, see, Elon Musk, I've told you this before also, I'm telling you now also. Elon Musk is not your friend. He's not your God. He doesn't give a fuck whether you make money, lose money, whether you lost everything, whether you go on the streets. Okay? You can keep talking about, oh, Elon Musk said, oh, I don't care about an MBA. Oh, very good. I will not study now. No need MBA. Yeah, try applying to Elon Musk for a job. Tell him, I listened to your advice. I didn't take an MBA. Can you give me a job? You think the people in SpaceX are all school dropouts? You think the people in, what the fuck is that, Tesla are all dropouts? I'm not saying that each one of them has an MBA. But you need to have either education to get in, or you need to have expertise, or you need to have experience. You don't have any of these in a particular field, don't expect anyone to give you a job. Oh, Elon Musk said. Now tell me. And one last thing. Elon Musk tweeted that it is harming the environment. Fuck, it's noisy, man. It's harming the environment. You think Elon Musk did not know that before? He was not aware that it harms the environment? You think he just found out? He knew this all along. Okay? Okay. So what I'm trying to tell you is, don't bloody, don't be an idiot. Basically, don't be an idiot. It's not that Elon Musk discovered this just now. For a man who's thinking so far ahead of time, who's a visionary, who's wanting to put people on Mars and space, you think he didn't know this small detail that it puts pressure on the fucking environment? It's not sustainable. You think he didn't know that? Elon Musk got a bamboo up his ass from the board of directors and from the government. So you better stop this. That is why now, watch. He's not going to tweet anymore. Should we accept this coin, that coin? Because, and he will lose his credibility. People will no longer believe. Because like this, once bitten, twice shy. He has been playing around with the markets too much. People can't take this shit anymore. And I pity those people who jumped into investing, so-called investing, with no knowledge. Oh, Elon Musk said. Yeah, the 17% that went down, which will go down further. That is those idiots. More is to follow. Watch and see. It's a matter of time. Anyway, wanted to share this with you. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. You guys take care.